Welcome back to Diversified Dollars. If you are curious about wealth distribution across the United States, you're in for a treat. Today we're counting down the top 5 wealthiest states in America, ranked by median household income. Let's dive in. At number 5, we have the state of California, the Golden State. With a median household income of $95,521, home to Silicon Valley's tech giants and Hollywood's entertainment empire, California is a powerhouse of innovation and creativity. But while the Golden State shines bright, it's also notorious for its high cost of living and income inequality. At number 4, we have New Hampshire, where the median household income is $96,838. This small but mighty state thrives on its proximity to Boston and a strong local workforce. And over 80% of residents live and work right in the state, enjoying New Hampshire's mix of urban access and scenic beauty. Ranking third on our list of most wealthiest states in the United States is Maryland. With a household median income of $98,678 and its proximity to Washington, D.C., Maryland residents benefit from federal government jobs and lucrative contracting opportunities. Add to that its vibrant coastal economy, and you've got a recipe for financial success. In second place, we have New Jersey, the Garden State, boasting a median household income of $99,781. Thanks to its prime location near New York City and Philadelphia, New Jersey is a commuter's paradise. It also thrives on high-earning industries like life sciences and financial services. And topping the list of the wealthiest state in America is Massachusetts. With a median household income of $99,858. The Bay State owes its prosperity to top-tier education, cutting-edge healthcare, and a booming biotech industry centered in Boston. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 wealthiest states in the United States. Did your state make the list? Do you agree or disagree with this list? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial insights and tips from Diversified Dollars. And we will see you in the next video.